What if I told you that you don't need expensive courses, a foreign teacher, or even an English-speaking friend to improve your English? Many people study English for years but still cannot speak confidently. The reason is simple. They study English but they don't use English. Today, I'll show you the easiest method to improve your English speaking at home. Thousands of learners use this method, and you can start today. Let's begin. Part 1: Why most people don't improve. Many learners make the same mistake. They spend hours memorizing grammar rules. They learn long vocabulary lists. They watch English videos without speaking. After months, they know many words but still can't speak. English is a skill. Just like swimming or cycling, you learn it by doing it. Part 2: The easy method. Here's the simple method. Step 1: Read a short story. Choose a very easy English story. Read slowly. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Focus on understanding the main idea. Step 2: Listen. Listen to the story while reading. Pay attention to pronunciation. Repeat after the speaker. Don't try to sound perfect. Just copy the rhythm. Step 3: Speak aloud. Close the book. Try to tell the story in your own words. Even if you make mistakes, keep talking. Remember, speaking is practice, not perfection. Step 4: Repeat every day. Read, listen, repeat, speak. Do this for just 20 minutes every day. Small daily practice brings big results over time. Part 3: Practice example. Story. Ali found a lost wallet on the road. He looked inside. There was money and an ID card. He called the owner. The owner thanked him. Now tell it yourself. Ali found a wallet. He called the owner. The owner was happy. See? You don't need the exact words. You just need to communicate the idea. That's real English. Part 4: Stop being afraid. Many learners think, what if I make mistakes? Here's the truth. Every fluent English speaker made thousands of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Don't wait until you're perfect. Start speaking now. Every sentence makes you stronger. Part 5: A 30-day challenge. Try this challenge. Every day, read one short story. Learn 5 new words. Repeat the story aloud. Record your voice. Listen to yourself. After 30 days, compare your first recording with your last one. You'll hear a big difference. You don't need to study English all day. You only need the right method and daily practice. Read stories. Speak every day. Don't fear mistakes. Keep going. Your English will improve faster than you think. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, subscribe to English with Stories and start your 30-day English challenge today. See you in the next lesson.